Hi everyone, I am Sanjay, currently pursuing my final year of MSc Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Coimbatore Institute of Technology. Welcome to the demo of the Lenny Growth Assistant, a premium conversational AI advisor built to help product managers and growth engineers to unlock the insights from Lenny's podcast and newsletter transcript. The tech stack of this project is modern and highly performant. On the front end, I have built a clean single page app using white and vanilla CSS. The back end is powered by Fast API connected to a Supabase PostgreSQL, holding a 392 fully indexed transcripts. For LLM execution, I have both local Olama Llama 3 and Cloud Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now let's get into the demo. Okay, I am clicking the new chat over here, the new conversation. Let's test our core RAG chatbot. I will ask what are Lenny's top growth loops using Cloud Gemini itself, applying the settings. Behind the scenes, the Fast API server computes similarity metrics against our transcript database, extracts the top five most relevant segments, and passes them as grounding context. And then the assistant answers strictly using facts from the transcripts, citing frameworks like Lenny's race car framework rather than hallucinating general internet knowledge. And this is the answer you get from it. Yeah. And then you can also notice automatically there is a name for this conversation also. We can also rename it just by clicking on this icon and just rename it like this. Yeah, it would change immediately. Okay, now let's explore our content generation engine by toggling the Shift 30 for 30 mode. The LLM activates a specialized formatting skill that structures the responses as a standard atomic essay. And then for this, I would say summarize PLG onboarding guidelines. Yeah. Then here the resulting output is optimized for high skimmability, featuring a strong single sentence hook, short paragraphs, bolded key terms, and ending with an actionable bolded takeaway. Yeah, the output is generated, and this is the output using SIP 30 for 30 mode atomic essay. And then finally, we can move on to the artifact viewer UI. For that, the question would be like design a modern newsletter subscription handling page in the HTML. And then here, when I ask the assistant to generate the code, like design a modern newsletter subscription landing page in HTML, it doesn't just print code in the chat. The front end automatically intercepts the code blocks. Slide opens a side by side artifact panel and runs the page inside a sandboxed iframe. I can interact with the form fields directly and switch to the code tab to copy the raw markup also. This is the preview page. And also I can click on to the code and then just copy the code also from here. Uh, and then it also renders markdown guides and reports in a stylist reading pane also. Yeah, and then here, as I already told, all the chat sessions are available, same like ChatGPT. If we did not name it, the name is automatically generated. Also, we can rename them, and then we can also delete them. For example, this conversation can also be deleted, and then you can see the new conversation is not over there. And then we can also add a new chat. Every session is always loaded over here. Even if I give the refresh, it will be also there. Yeah, this is a fully end-to-end completed project. Everything is synchronized live with the backend also. Yeah, thank you. That's all about the project. Thank you.